Hey there, fellow holiday artists. I'm going to add on talking about inflatables before I come back to more about lights, as I just brought out an of inflatables as my new blog today. So here's an introduction to the history of them. Back in 1998, Jemmy invented the big mouth Billy Bass as a novelty talking and dancing fish on a plaque. It was an instant success, and after that, the inventors envisioned a future where the gigantic inflatable decorations that were commonly being seen at car dealerships and in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade would be accessible for the general public to own. It took a few years, but in 2001 they came out with a version that was essentially a polyester shell with a hair dryer attached, looking like a Santa Claus. After years at the drawing board and lots of proper marketing, they took off in late 2006, and now anyone under 30 probably has no memory of a time when they didn't see them at the holidays. Now you can find almost any inflatable you can imagine for any time of year or occasion.